Today we are reviewing e.l.f.'s new lip liners. They're $3 down at my local Walmart, and they're 3-in-1 plumping lip gloss and balm. So we'll start off with the number 1 in the line. Open that up. And this is shade Truth or Bear, peachy pink. So let's first swatch it. Very, very cool, very sweet. Not my usual shade. It's very light. It's a little too light for me. I like mine a little bit more pinky. Next is shade Pinky Swear. This one seems like it's going to be right up my alley. I like a pink lip liner quite a bit. Let's swatch that first. Oh, I love the way that swatches. That is exactly the color of lip liner I like. It's very much close to my lip, very close, just a few shades off, so I love this. This is definitely one I'm probably going to wear on a daily. Next is shade Mauve Aside. I'm interested in this one quite a bit. It looks like just like a deeper pink, but let's swatch it. Yeah, it's more of a beige, more beige than I'd want it to be honest. That's definitely not my shade, but it's still a great deal for $3, so. The next shade is Baddest Beige. Again, I'm not a beige girl. I like pinks, I like reds, something a little closer to my skin tone. Very beigey. Let's try it on. I don't like it, but I can't go wrong with $3, so. The last shade is Spill the Tea. I have low hopes for this one, but we're gonna try it anyways. And who knows, like my makeup taste might change eventually, and I might get into more beigey colors or something, but beige just never looks that great on me. I find it just does not go with my skin tone. I mean, maybe I can make this work with the pink. I don't know. So we're moving right on to the Plumper Gloss and Balm. We got this in Pinky Out. I only got 2 shades because I've been hearing mixed reviews about the formula, so we'll try that. Alright, not too much because you don't want to do too much. I like the shade. It smells very coconut oily. So I have a feeling it will do a lot for your lips. Well, that kind of makes the beige lip liner look really nice. I'm going to try this in the Wild Cherry. So I relined with the Spill the Tea, the darkest beige. I'm really desperate to make the beige work. For $3, you really can't go wrong. I was wrong, it's Wicked Cherry. So let's open this up. I'm pretty excited for this one. Oh, that's nice. Doesn't need much pumping. Let's see how this looks. I really like that. It actually goes well with my eyeshadow, so that's pretty interesting. I did not plan that. So it's only slightly plumping. The formula is slightly sticky, but if you don't put much on, it's not as sticky. So that's a benefit, but I do really like it. I'm not a big fan of the smell of the coconut oil, but I believe these were like $9.97 at my Walmart, so you can't really go wrong with that. It's still beautiful. I'm more partial to the pink shades. Overall, it's definitely a hit for the price. Wish they had more pink shades for the lip liner. Thanks for watching.